Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we are going to talk about another very important example related to Angular custom pipe, where we will learn how to create a pipe that can help us to add the leading zero for a number. Okay, so suppose there is a project requirement where we are supposed to add some zeros to the number in a leading position. Okay, so in that case, how to write the logic, what all syntax or structure that we are supposed to follow, these all things we are going to discuss in this particular session. But before we proceed further with this session, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released sessions first, because they all are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be much more easier for you to understand the ongoing topic, because for time being we are just mainly focusing on how to create Angular custom pipe to add leading zeros. Okay, alright, so let's get started. Now the first thing that we are going to do here is to add the required headings. So for, like you can see, we are in the app.component.html file where we have one heading, that is Angular 19 course by Sharmit. After this we will add another heading and it will show the today's topic name. So topic name is Angular custom pipe to add leading zeros in number. So this is our main topic. Okay, now as per this heading, it's clear that we have to add the we have to create the custom pipe, and to create the custom pipe you can simply run the command, that is ng server open. Sorry, this is for running the application. We have to run ng, that is for Angular, g generate p pipe, then the folder name, that is my pipes slash, and then the pipe name. So we can give it as a name as pad 0 pipe, because we are going to pad the 0 on leading position. Okay, so if you want you can give pipe, or maybe we can add something like this, add lead 0. Let's give it as the name add lead 0, and then simply press enter. So once you press enter, it will take few seconds and then it will automatically create this folder for you, where we have this my pipes folder with two files in it. One is add lead zeros 0.pipe.ts, and another one is add lead 0.pipe.spec.ts. We are not going to touch this spec.ts file because this is not needed for now, at least, and whatever logic will come inside this add lead 0.pipe.ts file. Okay, and to write the logic here, like firstly we need to register it, and to register this pipe you have to write the complete name, that is add lead 0 pipe, not this name. Okay, you have to write complete name, add lead 0 pipe. Now I'll show you how to register it. So for that, let's go to app.component.ts file. Here in this import part you can simply write add lead 0 pipe. Perfect. And once you hit enter, it will automatically add this line. That means your pipe is successfully added in the program. Okay, so if your pipe is added, now it's time to use this. And to use this, like before using it, we should know what is the requirement. We should know how to like what is our requirement, and also we should check like how we can make it feasible for the logic that we are going to build. Okay, because complexity is also matter. So for that, let's go to app.component.ts file. Not ts, we will firstly, I'll explain you the requirement. For that we will go to app.component.html, and here in this location we will simply add one comment. I want to show you some logic part here, like what we are going to build. So for that, let's add here sample input colon, then number is 5, then we will add here sample output colon again, and in this place we will write here 0 5. So if I am providing the input as 5, I want to convert it into 0 5, where we have added 0. but this should be dynamic in nature. That means if I am passing the length as 3, so in that case it should add 2 zeros. If I am passing the length as 4, it should add 3 0. Okay, so as per the length I am providing in the as a parameter, it should add the zeros. So this is our requirement. So with this requirement, one thing is sure, that we are going to convert the number into we are going to convert the number, we are going to create a pipe that will receive two parameters. One is the actual number and another one is the length. Okay, alright, so let's start the logic. So for that we will go to add lead0pipe.ts file. Here whatever is written, we will simply remove it because we want to write everything from scratch. I'm talking about the parameters part, so let's remove it. And here one by one we will write all those information. Okay, so first number we are going to receive, so I will write here original number, type would be number for sure, and then we are going to accept the second thing, that is length, and here the type is also number equal to 2. That means we are going to store the number, we are going to receive the two numbers here. One is the original number and another one is the length. The type of both numbers are number. Also we have initialized this number, let me fix the spelling. Also this length data type is holding the 2. That means it is by default value of this variable is 2. If any value is not provided, then in that case it will be considered as true. Now at the time of returning the data, we are going to return the string here. Why? Because we will make it as a string and then we will perform those operation and then we will return a string. And remember one thing, these all things are in case sensitive, so whatever you are writing, make sure to write it in a same case. Okay, alright, so now we will write here return, then original number dot, firstly we will convert into string, so we will write here toString parenthesis, then dot. Here I will use another method, that is padStart, and in this padStart I will write here length comma 0. Okay, and then I will use here semicolon. Perfect. So what it means that we are going to receive the original number, then we are converting that original number to string, then we are using this padStart method which will pad this whatever is written inside this code. If it is 0, it will pad 0. If it is 1, it will pad 1. Okay, even if it is a or any character, it will accordingly pad the thing. But for how much length? Whatever length we are providing here. Okay, alright, so let's save it, and now we will go to app.component.html file to run this application. Firstly I'll add the paragraph where I will write number without pipe colon double curly braces. Here I am passing 5 because I just want to show you this thing. Now let's run the application without any pipe. ng-serve -fn open, enter, wait for a few seconds and then it will show you the output. And you can see the output is coming as Angular 19 codes by Sharmit, Angular custom pipe to add leading zeros in number, and number without pipe is 5. Perfect. Now we will use the pipe that we have created. So number with pipe dot colon is 5, and let me correct it. Yeah, here I will pass 5, then pipe, and then the add lead 0. This time I'm not passing that external parameter, additional parameter, so let's see how it goes. So it become 5 only. Why? It should not 5. Let me check the logic. Maybe something we made wrong here. Return original number dot toString is fine, then dot padStart length. Okay, here we can see there is a case sensitive difference, right? We are using small l, that is why it was not giving the right correct. Now you can see it is giving the right output. Okay, that's why I mentioned that it is a case sensitive, so make sure you are using it carefully. Okay, so here we by default value is taking that is 2. So let's say if I want to make it as 5 digits, so what I can do, I can simply put colon over here and then 5. Save it, refresh it. So you can see it make it as a 5 digit number. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 digit number with 4 zeros. Okay, so I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.